Okay, about the button panel. Normally we use less part of this button, but let me show you. This is left. Keep pressing, not release it, and it will move out. And then right, left, right, and like when you move left, you want one button and enter it, and it's like reset. It's carried turns to original place. When you move out, and want to see the, like pretend if you have socks on roller and you want to see the roller height is good, and you can press here. This is turning. Like socks has every part, like toe part, heel part, like it's tall, or curve part is tall. So you move it and see if the distance is good. Here without socks on, like we can see it's about 5 millimeter. After you put socks on the roller, and the thickness will increase. So normally it will be like 3 millimeter from the nozzle surface to the print head, to the sock surface. Sorry. And also there's the cleaning button. Cleaning. If the nozzle state is not good, you can clean from here. It's capping down, and you can see it's sealed. It's pumping down. With the ink tank. You see the ink is drawing out. Wipe left the rubber part. It wipe the surface. So this is entire the cleaning process. We can also clean from the software. You can see this is the software. So this is, there's a button here. It's also for cleaning. It's Chinese here, but you can recognize the symbol here. Because it's already done the cleaning, so I'm not going to click here. So cleaning from here or cleaning from here is same, and the printer will proceed the motion.